This morning meditation is designed to help you release the noise, rise above the past, and tune your energy to the frequency where manifestation becomes natural. As you listen, let the words guide you gently into clarity, into alignment, and into the limitless field where your desires begin to take shape. You deserve ease. You deserve flow. You deserve a life that supports your soul. Take a deep breath, soften your body, and allow yourself to arrive fully in this sacred space. When you're ready, your journey begins.
Close your eyes and feel the world soften around you. A gentle hush wraps itself around your body, as if the universe is placing a protective hand over this moment. Your breath moves with effortless ease, flowing in like warm morning light, flowing out like a tender sigh of release. You have arrived at the doorway between who you were yesterday and who you are becoming today. This space is yours. This silence is yours. This awakening is yours. Feel a warm glow gathering at the base of your spine, subtle and comforting, like the first rays of sunrise touching the land. Allow this warmth to rise through you slowly, unhurried, as though it knows exactly where to go. It moves up your back, loosening the tension stored in your muscles. It softens your shoulders, melts the tightness behind your heart, and smooths the space across your chest. This is relief. This is release. This is your body remembering how to open. The warmth flows down your arms and into your hands, as if every cell is receiving a gentle blessing. Down your legs it moves, settling into your feet like golden roots grounding you into the earth. Feel this connection. Feel how supported you truly are. You are not floating. You are anchored. You are held by an intelligence that has carried you through every moment of your life. A stillness expands within your mind, like a calm sky after soft rain. Thoughts drift away without effort, dissolving into the quiet, as though they were never yours to carry. There is nothing you need to do. There is nothing you need to fix. For this moment, you are simply being, and that is enough. Feel your breath become softer, your heart become lighter, your energy begin to glow. Imagine a golden mist forming around your body. It swirls gently, shimmering with awareness, with intelligence, with love. With each breath, this mist draws closer. It enters your field, settles into your chest, flows into the places you've been holding tight. Any guilt you carried dissolves like shadows meeting the rising sun. Any worry you held begins to melt, as though the universe itself is lifting it from your hands. You are not losing anything. You are reclaiming your freedom. A wave of forgiveness rises softly through you. Forgiveness toward yourself, toward the moments you didn't know better, toward the pieces of you that were still learning. Feel the relief of letting go. Feel the sweetness of beginning again. With every release, your heart shines brighter, like a lantern being uncovered. The light inside your chest expands, glowing like a beautiful sun rising within you. It travels through every organ, soothing them with a warm harmony. Your heartbeat settles into a calm, steady rhythm. Your breath opens gently. This is not just relaxation. This is healing. Your cells awaken with new clarity. Your energy returns to coherence. You are remembering your natural state of wholeness. Above your head, sense a radiant presence gathering, soft, luminous, wise. Imagine a stream of white, gold light pouring through your crown, down into your mind, illuminating your thoughts with clarity. It flows into your throat, strengthening your voice. It enters your heart and merges with the sun, already glowing there. You can feel the shift. You can feel your vibration rising. Now imagine yourself standing in a vast expanse of shimmering light, a luminous field stretching endlessly in every direction. There is no boundary, no edge, only infinite possibility. This is the quantum field, the place where your intentions ripple into creation. You feel weightless here, expanded, connected to something ancient and eternal. Every heartbeat sends a vibration into the field. Every desire becomes a ripple. Every belief becomes a blueprint for what you allow into your life. You are not separate from this. You are part of it. You are the field. You are the creator and the creation. Feel your heart opening even wider, as if blooming toward the endless horizon. A soft breeze of divine love moves through you, sweeping away the last traces of heaviness. You are stepping into alignment with truth, with abundance, with the higher version of yourself calling you forward. Let your mind gently repeat these affirmations, not as words, but as frequencies awakening inside you. I am safe. I am guided. I am supported by an intelligence that always knows the way. I am open to abundance in all forms. My body is light. My mind is clear. My heart is strong. I am worthy of every blessing that seeks me. I am aligned with the energy that creates worlds. I am one with infinite possibility. I am abundance in motion. Feel each affirmation echo through your body like ripples of light. These are not wishes. They are truths being activated. Your energy shifts. Your heart expands. Your frequency rises. You can feel it. You can sense the transformation happening inside you. A radiant beam of white, gold light rises from your heart, extending upward past your crown, reaching into the infinite sky. It connects you to the cosmic field of consciousness, weaving your energy into the fabric of possibility. You are held in a silence so deep it feels like eternity. You are embraced by a love so vast it feels like home. You hear a whisper rising from the field, not in words, but in pure knowing. You are not separate. You are not small. You are the light the universe dreamed into being. You are the unfolding of love in human form. Your energy expands beyond the edges of your body, dissolving into the space around you, merging with the infinite. This is your truth, boundless, powerful, divine. Hold this knowing. Feel it anchor into your heart, into your breath, into the center of your being. You are aligned with abundance. You are attracting what is meant for you. You are stepping into a day shaped by clarity, confidence, and flow. Let your awareness return gently to your physical body. Feel the warmth in your chest. Feel the softness in your breath. Feel the peace resting behind your eyes. You are returning with more than you had when you entered. A new vibration, a new intention, a new alignment with your highest self. You are ready for your day. You are ready to receive. You are ready to manifest. You are safe. You are loved. You are free. Let this final whisper settle into your spirit like a blessing. May your path feel light. May your heart feel free. And may abundance meet you in every step you take. If this meditation brought peace to your heart, allow yourself to return whenever your soul needs rest. For more gentle practices and healing journeys, you're invited to subscribe to Inner World Rewired. Thank you for sharing this sacred moment